So today is our first vlog and we are going to Téngwáng. This is a traditional place of Chinese. Let's see what happen here. Today weather is so much pleasant and almost the temperature is down because it was raining last night. So we decided to go there. And this is the bus station here. We will have to wait for the bus to come because we don't own a bike or car here, so we will have to go by bus. And time is almost late, but the weather is so much pleasant. It's cloudy outside and very pleasant weather. These buses are like almost same to Peshawar BRT, but they are not that much quick. We will have to wait for the bus so much about 15 minutes. So finally we are here in bus and let's see what happens there. So we are going Chinese bus. It's almost same to BRT, but somehow it is different because you will have to wait for the bus so much now. We just arrived here at our location. This is the Téngwáng Pavilion, or हमारे phone charging all around. So Chinese are very good. They help us in charging our mobile phone. And now let's go. What happened there? Let's enjoy. Now we are going to enter the Téngwáng Pavilion and we don't know where is the entry. So I think this is the entrance. We just come here now. It seems to be the entrance of the final entrance to pavilion. It will cost each person around 80 RMB. This is so much expensive for Pakistani. But for Chinese this is normal. And so the outside look. Everything is so much expensive here. Cold drinks, everything. The parking area. The gate is almost closed and we have to go back to dormitory because it will close around 11. So it's the far distance for us. And bus service is also closed. We will have to go to by taxi. Now let's enter the store and see what's there new for us. There's the ice creams. I don't know where is the shopkeeper. I think he's not there. But everything here is expensive and I don't know where is shopkeeper. So finally we are out and going back over there. So finally we are here at our university gate, and we didn't enjoy that much because here our dormitory closed at 11 a.m. We can't enjoy that much. And China is beautiful at night.